This has been the scene at the U.S.-Mexico border recently, where the number of asylum seekers is down sharply since Title 42 ended a month ago.
The Biden administration began to implement an asylum ban rule that makes people who've transited through a third country generally ineligible for asylum. So now they get to have a screening, they might get in front of a judge, but they generally won't be eligible for asylum unless they meet one of a few limited exceptions.
One of those exceptions is for migrants who tried to claim asylum in another country before reaching the U.S., but were turned down.
For most people, that would have meant applying for asylum in Central America or Mexico, where many people don't feel safe and don't have the possibility of integrating. And so that just isn't a reality, a real possibility for them.
Migrants are encouraged to schedule appointments for asylum interviews on a smartphone app called CPB One. But many complain that all available slots fill immediately. Effective June 1st, the administration increased the number of interview slots from 1,000 per day to 1,250, or 40,000 per month, hoping to reduce the backlog. Immigration remains a sensitive political issue, with Republican candidates hoping to defeat Biden next year, claiming the border is open and out of control. Some, like Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, have dramatized the situation by sending plane and busloads of migrants to Democratic Party strongholds like New York, California, and Massachusetts. 2 planes believed to have been chartered using Florida taxpayers' money recently flew migrants to Sacramento, California. One group was dropped off outside the Catholic Diocese headquarters.
And then there's the other side of this, which is the worst of American values, and that is somebody, and the early evidence points to Florida, and we know where that points, who would use innocent, vulnerable people as political pawns. Is there no shame?
California authorities say the people responsible could face criminal charges, including kidnapping. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.